Ninja, go!
"15 years ago, a legend was born, and it all started here at the Four Weapons Blacksmith, a massive 1259-piece tribute to where the entire saga began. This isn't just any building. This is the blacksmith shop from the very first scene of the Ninjago pilot episode, lovingly recreated with incredible attention to detail. The exterior immediately captures that rustic, timeless feel, sturdy rockwork foundation, traditional latticed windows, and that iconic hanging sign. But here's the first secret. Push that sign out, and you will discover a hidden golden weapons map tucked behind the front panel. Open it up, and the magic really begins. Inside you will find a fully equipped forge, packed with weapons and accessories spanning the show's entire history. There's the cozy bedroom upstairs, and throughout the build, hidden ninja stickers are cleverly placed behind helmet and hood displays. 6 minifigures are included: Kai the Blacksmith, Master Wu, Nia, Maya, Ray, and the first collectible Master of Earth minifigure on a special display stand. Every angle of this build tells a story. Every brick honors the journey. Whether you're displaying it on your shelf or reliving classic Ninjago moments, this set delivers on every level.